Hello everyone. Okay, so you need to have your blue reference out and ready, and you need your calculator, and then you can have a pen or pencil and scratch paper if you would like. And you need to go log into AP Classroom, okay? So you'll grab your Chromebooks, you'll log into AP Classroom, and then this is really similar to the last time we did this. Like once you log in, if you scroll down, it's the second multiple choice practice exam. Then you can click begin, or we have activity, and then it should be, or active, and it should be the first one on the top there, second multiple choice practice exam, and select begin. Once you hit start, there is a timer on this one, and so you will have 60 minutes. And then after it is submitted, wait a few minutes, and then you'll be able to go back in and click on it and see how you did. At that point, once you have finished the multiple choice practice, go put your Chromebook, well, actually don't put your Chromebook away after that, but come up to the sub, and they are going to hand you one of these second practice multiple choice exam score reports. So when you're done, you're going to come up, you're going to grab one of these, and then for each of the answers, you're going to say what your answer was and if you got it right or wrong. I want to get your total out of 40, and then your percentage on the units, and your percentage for the different topics here, because we have videos that you can go and find of all of these or most of these. And if you have time after completing the exam, then I want you to start doing your corrections. Okay? For any of the ones that you got wrong, I want you to say what the correct answer was and why it's the correct answer. So my plan for you today is you're going to have 60 minutes of taking this test. And I know it's going to take us 10 minutes or so to get started on that, right? And so on a Wednesday, so you have an hour and 20. So then that would leave you with only a 10-ish minutes, a little while to work on these corrections. And so I know you're not going to get a lot of these corrections done. Just a reminder that on Friday, you're either going to be working on these corrections, or you're going to be finishing the Unit 8 in class review. And you get to decide which one you're going to do. I'll leave this key with the sub on Friday so that you'll have access to that. Okay. So wonderful. Oh, last thing. Hey, if you weren't here last class, you need to know your email address and the password for your AP Classroom. Like, you have to know it. It can't just be saved on your Chromebook. Like, write it down. You need to know it for the actual AP Chem test. So if you're not here last time, make sure that you know what your login stuff. And hey, people in the groups that were here last time, will you explain this to people that were gone, how they need the email and the login password in order to get onto the blue book part of the Chromebooks when you do the actual AP Chem test. Okay, I miss you all. Thank you so much for being so wonderful with me going to my graduation. And then I will see you all on Monday, either during lunch or after school for our group study sessions, and then AP Chem test on Tuesday. Okay, you got this. Bye, guys.